Everyone, so today I'm going to show you how you can migrate your WordPress website from another hosting to Hostinger. So this migration will not included the email migration or the DNS record or other things, because the client would like to just migrate the website and use the new domain instead of the existing domain. That's why it will be a bit different. And if you would like to migrate with the emails and other things, you have to follow the next video. So at first, let's see how we can migrate the website from another hosting to a Hostinger without any manual migration. So at first, go to your Hostinger panel and go to Add Website, then click to Migrate Website option. And from there, first add your domain name. So here is my domain name. Click to Next. And then it will ask for the other information. So at first, we would like to see choose the platform. So it's hosted on WordPress or built on WordPress CMS. So I would like to pick the WordPress. But if you would like to migrate whole things from cPanel, included the email, then you should use this option. And if you have other control panel, you can choose this, but for me it's WordPress. So go to WordPress and you have to add the username and email address. So I'm going to copy username and email address. I have already saved on one password, that's why I just copy paste the information from there. At first, it will verify the login credential, and you will have to wait a few seconds to complete the verification process. Then it will give you the migration summary. So I am fine with this. I'm going to submit the request, and it will take a moment to migrate. And the process is started, so I will have to wait. And in this process, I will have to configure the domain, or I can even do after it's completed. So here is the temporary domain. If you would like to connect your domain, you will have to wait. So if you go back to the home and under the website, you will find the migration is process. If you would like to give a track, because it will be difficult to remember who is the temporary domain is using if you have multiple domains. So you can add tag. So like this, you can manage tag from there. Then you can create a new tag and assign a tag to a specific temporary domain. So you can easily identify in the future. So this is how you can migrate the website to Hostinger. If you would like to know more about Hostinger, you can check on YouTube. And another interesting thing is that I have purchased this hosting plan only for $70 instead of $342. So if you go to billing and subscription, you will see its renewal fee is this, but I did not pay the full amount. If you go to the Hostinger website and go to claim deal, you will see I have purchased this, and it should cost you 340 or something. Let's calculate. 48 months, 7.59. So it should cost you $364. But if you follow my another video, it will cost you only $70. So you will get back rest of the amount as a cashback. Right now it's offering 85% cashback, so the cost will be less than $70. So let's calculate the hosting plan. So it will be 7.59 per month, and for the 48 months, that will be this amount. But we will able to use for 51 months for 3 months bonus. So this will be our total for the 4 years plan, but we will get back 85% cashback. That means if we get 85% cashback, we will get back this amount, that means our cost will be only $54.65 for 5 years. That means 51 months without including the bonus. So using a hosting just for $1 a month, it's amazing, right? So you will get everything included here. I hope that will help. And if you face any issue during getting my migration or even getting cashback, you can just ping me. I will be there to help you. So the migration is under process, and whenever the migration will be completed, we will get an email notification, and then I will resume the video. So the migration is completed within just a few moments. So we would like to connect the new domain here. So how you will be able to connect new domain? So from there, you can pick the connect domain. Then let me get the new domain from my client. So she would like to use this domain as a new domain instead of the previous one. So I will pick the first option because she owned this domain, so we can use this. And then if I pick the next, it will give you it's almost done. So we will have to just update the domain name server to connect the domain with this hosting. So it's under processing. Whenever our domain will be updated, the name server updated, then the domain will be look like this. So let me ask my client, and it should be done in next few hours. So now you know how you can migrate your existing WordPress website from different hosting to Hostinger. It's very easy to migrate without manual hassle. I think you're gonna love it. And if you face any issue for anything related Hostinger, you can ping me. I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks for watching the video, and see you on the next time.